everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhisani. Hope you are doing great. Now today also I come forward with another vacancy for you. So without wasting time, let's start with the vacancy detail. But before that, if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming videos. Along with that, you can check out the playlist of dental and medical jobs on my channel. There you can find the new vacancies in the dental and medical field. So don't forget to check out that. Now today's vacancy is in the AIIMS Bhopal. Yes, and that is for the MD/MS degree. Post of assistant professor with these 17 numbers of vacancies, and the degree required is the MD or MS, and the last date that you can apply for this vacancy is the 8th September of this year. AIIMS Bhopal job notification releases the information for the hiring of the professor post, which has been released on the official website, which is shown on your screen. Candidates who are planning to start their career can have a walk-in application on or before 8th September of this year. Qualification in detail: a medically qualified person include in the first or second schedule or the part second of the third schedule to the Indian Medical Council Act of 1956. Person possessing the qualifications included in part second of third schedule should also fulfill the condition of specified in section 13(3) of the Act. A postgraduate qualification, example MD/MS, or a recognized qualification equivalent thereto into the respective discipline or subject. Most important part is apna sapna money, that is the salary detail, and the salary is rupees 1,42,506 per month. Age limit is 50 years. Age relaxation is there, that is 3 years for OBC, 5 years for ST/SC and 10 years for PWBD. For this vacancy, there is the application fee is also there. You need to make the demand draft only in the favor of Executive Director of AIIMS Bhopal. General or OBC category will have the application fee of rupees 2,000. ST/SC or PWD candidates will have the nil fees. Selection process is walk-in interview. Now the most important part is how you can apply for this vacancy. Candidates who report to their interview must bring a printed copy of the application form and no objection certificate from the current employer, and produce all the relevant original documents along with the set of the Xerox copy as a proof of details which are furnished in their application at the time of interview. That's all about the today's vacancy in the AIIMS Bhopal. You can check out the official notification regarding this notice in the community tab section of my YouTube channel, but there is one thing that it is only available or seen till the next 24 hours. So don't forget to check out that and take the screenshot if you want. And if you still want, then I will upload it in the Instagram if you want. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you for watching.